In the front, it really gives the illusion that the straw is floating. 1, 2, 3.
Watch the highlighter, it'll just magically disappear off the paper, just like that.
Oh, I can't lift it!
See the playing card morph into a gift card.
How would you even know?
Sticking out of the top of the jar, just like that. Remove the match. It's magically magnetized.
No! What's happening? Where did it come from?
Magic.
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I've got my daughter Ava with me and we're showing you 10 easy magic tricks that you can do at home.
Oh, sweet home.
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button for us and let's go!
Okay, check this out. I have a match right here and a magnet. Watch. Obviously, the match is not magnetic. It's not going to stick to that magnet, right? But watch. If we take the match, light it. And just like that, the match is magically magnetized. So the reason that the matchstick heads become magnetic after they burn is because they contain iron oxide as a colorant. The yellow color of the burning match indicates that there's low oxygen, meaning a reducing flame. It reduces the iron oxide down to iron, which is then attracted to the magnet.
Okay, check this out. I have a really cool trick to show you with this card. I have it inside this little sleeve right here. So check this out. You can actually see it change into an Amazon card, just like that.
Very cool.
All you need to pull this one off is our magic card sleeve from EvanEraTV.com and a gift card. I'm using an Amazon gift card for this one, and I'm actually giving away this $25 Amazon gift card to one lucky comment in the comment section down below. All you have to do to be eligible to win the giveaway is leave a comment, and this is in celebration of us now being an Amazon seller. You can get a lot of different Evan Era TV products on Amazon. Just search for Evan Era TV, and there's also a link in the description. Stay tuned if you want to win the Amazon gift card. And the setup for this is super simple. The little card sleeve just makes your card disappear like that. It's super easy to do. Anyone can do this trick. You just load the gift card where you would load a playing card. So you just slide it in just like this. You're gonna flip it over, and then you're going to shift the mechanism in the gimmick back just like this, so it looks like a card. And then all you have to do to make it change into a gift card is just deploy the gimmick just like that. It's really easy. It's a little piece of film that shifts back and forth, and you can just make it change into a gift card and back into a playing card just like that. You can then hand this out to someone, give it to them as a cool keepsake from the performance. It's a cool and fun way to deliver a birthday present to somebody, or you could also use it to present your business card to people. And if you want to win a magic card sleeve, stay tuned for the end of the video. We'll be giving one away, or you could pick one up at EvanEraTV.com right now.
Watch the highlighter. It'll just magically disappear off the paper, just like that.
All you need to pull off the magic disappearing highlighter trick is a highlighter and a lemon. And you're actually going to use the juice from the lemon to erase the highlight. It's really easy to do. Just take a little bit of the lemon juice on your finger. So say they've highlighted a word on a page, you can then just take the lemon juice and it will actually erase that highlighter just like that. The acid in the lemon juice actually just removes the highlighter ink, but it doesn't take off the ink that's on the paper. Watch the highlighter. It'll just magically disappear off the paper. Okay, V, I have a really cool trick to show you. I have a calendar here, calendar of 2019. I want you to take the calendar, and I want you to go through and pick any day of the calendar that you want. Lock it in your mind. I have a prediction that I wrote here beforehand. I'm not going to show it to you. I just want you to pick any day out of 2019, pick any day, and lock it in your mind. All right, you got it?
Yeah.
All right, so out of 365 days, which one did you go with?
May 15th.
May 15th. All right.
Yeah.
So you could have picked any day, right?
Yeah, I mean,
Safe to say you could have gone through any page of the calendar, and that was totally a free choice, right?
yes.
I did not influence you in any way, right?
Okay.
So check out my prediction that I made. You ready?
Yeah.
Drum roll.
How would you even know?
May 15th.
Yeah. I think because it's super pretty. That's insane.
All you need to pull this one off is a thumb tip writer. This is called a boon writer. It's actually a pencil lead built into a thumb tip. We have these available at evaneratv.com. This is one of the most powerful tools that you can use in mentalism magic, where you make it seem like you're knowing what someone's going to think beforehand. So it comes with this little thumb tip, and as you can see, there's a pencil lead sticking out of it. You're gonna wear this just like this. You're gonna have to practice just a little bit writing with it. But what you're gonna do is take a notepad and just hold this at your side. You're gonna act like you write your prediction beforehand, but you actually don't write anything down. And then no matter what date they say from the calendar, you're simply gonna write it out on the notepad with the thumb writer. So let's say they do July 7th. So you're just gonna casually write that out. Pick up a thumb writer at evaneratv.com, or stay tuned for the end of the video for a special giveaway. Okay, check this out. I have a ribbon looped around the handle of the mug just like this. If we pull 1, 2, 3, you can actually get the ribbon to pop through the handle of the mug just like that. All you need to pull this one off is a piece of ribbon and a mug. You can use any mug and any piece of ribbon. It needs to be just about a foot long or so. And you're gonna start by looping it over just like this. You're gonna take the loop and pass it through the mug handle just like this, and then loop it over like that and pinch it with your fingers. So now it looks like you have the ribbon just wrapped around the handle of the mug just like this. Now all you have to do to make it look like the ribbon passes through the mug handle is let go of the loop and pull. So we're looping it around, we pinch it with our thumb and forefinger. Now it looks like the ribbon is just looped onto the mug handle like that. There's no way it can pass through there, but on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, we just pull it right through the mug handle just like that. You can then show the ribbon to the audience. You can pass out the mug for examination. There's no breaks in the ribbon, there's no breaks in the mug handle. Looks like real magic. Try it out at home. Okay, V, I have a cool trick to show you with this little red silk scarf right here, if you would check that out. Let's inspect it. Also have a blue silk scarf, and it's down in this little glass jar right here. See it?
Yes.
Okay. Also have a rubber band here. It'll come into play in just a second.
Okay.
So what I want you to do is take the red silk scarf and drape it over top of the jar. Okay.
Over top.
Just like that. Perfect. Okay, so grab the top of the jar for me just there. Hold it. Thank you. Watch. We're going to take the rubber band and double it up just like this, so we can seal off the top of the jar. So grab it just here, and we'll put the rubber band on top, just like that, okay? There's no way I can get in the jar, just grab the top, right, hold it tightly so there's no way I can get to it. Okay, so no way I can get in the jar, but check this out. If I lift up the edge of the silk and just reach under, check this out, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna just remove the blue silk scarf from the jar.
Are you kidding
just
me?
like that. Grab the corner and just pull.
How does that even work? And that's a real... How does that even work? I was holding it the whole time.
This is a super easy one to do. All you need are 2 silk scarves, a little jar, and a rubber band. One of the silk scarves needs to fit inside your glass jar, and you want to leave just a little bit of the scarf sticking out of the top of the jar, just like that. You'll need another scarf that's slightly bigger. You can also use a napkin, and you'll need a rubber band. Now the entire secret to this trick lies in flipping the jar upside down when they place the larger scarf over top. So the entire time that they're holding what they believe is the top of the jar, they're actually holding the bottom of it. So even when you put the rubber band on, you're actually rubber banding the bottom of the jar, leaving the top open for you to remove the scarf. It is that easy. Just flip the jar upside down, and then when they remove the scarf, you're gonna flip the jar back upright. That's pretty much it. Get a volunteer and try that at home. Let me know your results. Okay, I have a really fun trick to show you. So take one thumb down on the table like this.
Okay.
Got it. Other thumb next to it, just like that.
Okay.
Challenge is to see if you can balance the drink.
Oh, no, 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 no. Okay.
You got it? You got it. Now you sit it there.
No! What's happening? Stop! Stop it! That's not cool. Come get this water. I'm afraid to do it. Come get it! You're really gonna leave me. Evan, come get the water.
We're going to lunch.
Help me.
Bye.
Here, come grab this. Dude, I'm not kidding. Grab it. I think it's really clever, but I'm not laughing. I'm get this.
I'm laughing. Okay, this one is actually a fun challenge. So take your hand, put it down on the table like this. Okay, so take your middle finger right here and curl it up underneath your hand just like this.
Okay.
Perfect. And you want to make sure your knuckles all the way pressed down. Okay, so lift your pointer finger.
Okay.
Now lift your pinky.
Okay.
Now lift up your thumb.
Okay.
Got it. Now try and lift up your ring finger.
Ah! I can't do it! Ah! Why is it so hard?
This is really simple. You're just gonna place your hand down on the table like this, and you're gonna curl your middle finger in just like so. So the reason this is happening is the tendons in your fingers, that is the little strings that make your fingers move, are independent from one another apart from the ones in your middle and ring fingers. So that when your middle finger is bent down and folded like this, your ring finger is completely paralyzed. It cannot move whatsoever. Try it out at home.
Okay, I've got a super cool trick to show you, but first check out this awesome Harlem Globetrotters jersey I got. I got my name on the back. Super sweet. So if you haven't seen our Harlem Globetrotters video, check that out. I'll link it right here. A piece of blue construction paper here, see it? Okay, so check this out. I'm just gonna take the paper, I'm gonna roll it up like this, okay? Roll it up like that. You can see nothing in my hands, no tricky business, no funny business. All right, so check this out. We're just gonna take the paper, give it a wave. Now watch, if I reach inside, you can see something has magically appeared inside.
Gosh.
Here you go.
Oh my gosh, it just keeps going.
Isn't that cool?
Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Where did this come
From the paper.
from? But how?
Oh, that's pretty. It's a nice scarf, isn't it?
Yeah.
Stylish.
Where did it come from?
Magic.
I'll show you the secret right now. Here's what you need to set this one up at home. You're gonna need some tape, some scissors, a little scarf, and 2 sheets of paper that are the same color. You're gonna take one of the pieces of paper and tape it in place, rolled up on the back of the other piece of paper. You're gonna roll it up just like this and tape it in place. Then before the trick starts, you're gonna take the silk scarf and hide it down inside your hidden paper roll. This way you can show the paper from the front and the tube is completely hidden behind it with the sash hidden inside. Now you can take the piece of paper and roll it up, reach inside with a bare hand, and magically produce a silk scarf. So watch, if I hold the straw right between my thumbs, I can just let go and it float right there between my hands. Like that. You can see it floating.
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now.
All you need to pull this one off at home is a plastic drinking straw and some double-sided tape. So the secret is in your finger protruding from the back of your hands just like this, and a piece of double-sided tape placed strategically right in the middle of the straw so it sticks to the end of your finger. From the front, it really gives the illusion that the straw is floating. So it's really easy, just put a piece of double-sided tape on the middle of the straw, stick it to your middle finger, and you're gonna interweave your fingers just like this, so that middle finger is sticking out in the back.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it as well. Be sure to head over to evaneratv.com. That is our website. We've got a lot of cool merch. You can get a card sleeve or a magic thumb writer and a lot more magic merch at the link in the description below. Right at the top of the description, evaneratv.com. Go check it out. We have so much cool stuff and we have international shipping available on everything. If you've placed an order on evaneratv.com, thank you so much for your love and support. Alright guys, it's giveaway time. We are giving away all the magic props from this video. If you want to win any of the magic tricks that you saw in this video, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Today's keyword is magic. To leave as many comments as you want in the comment section down below. In fact, the more comments that you leave on the video, the better your chances of winning the giveaway. I'll be going through the comments and we'll be picking random comments and mailing out the magic to you so that you can perform it at home. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Thank you to everyone who entered the giveaway and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit that thumbs up and leave your comments below. And if you missed the last episode of How To Magic, it's right over there. Tap the subscribe button down below if you're new and turn on our notifications so you see all of our videos. The shop is right down there if you want to grab some merch and support this channel. So until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.